Good afternoon to all. Welcome back to 7th Standard Social Online class. Students, we are studying History Unit 1, Vijayanagar and Bahmani Kingdom. In our last class, we have discussed about the Bahmani Empire. The Bahmani Kingdom was founded by Hassan Gangu Bahmani in the year 1347 and their capital was Gulbarga. After Hassan Gangu Bahmani, his son Muhammad Shah I he came to the power. Up to this we have studied. Today we are going to see about Muhammad Gawan. Muhammad Gawan, he was a Persian by birth and he was well versed in Islamic theory and Persian and mathematics. He was also a poet and a prose writer. Muhammad Gawan was a poet and a prose writer. The Bahmani king Alauddin Hassan Bahman Shah, he was greatly impressed by his wisdom and military genius recruited him. He served with great distinction as a prime minister post under Muhammad III. Note this one. Muhammad Gawan, he was appointed as the prime minister under Muhammad III and contributed extensively to the development of the Bahmani kingdom. So Muhammad Gawan, he was a Persian. He was impressed by Muhammad Hassan Gangu Alauddin Hassan Bahman Shah. And he was a genius in Persian language, mathematics, and he was a poet and a prose writer, and he was appointed as the Prime Minister of Bahmani Kingdom under Muhammad III. Gawan was known for his military campaign as well as administrative reforms. He used Persian chemists to teach the Bahmani army about the preparation and the use of gunpowder. Note this one important GK question. Muhammad Gawan, he used Persian chemist people to teach about the preparation and the use of the gunpowder. In his war against the Vijayanagar king in Belaham, he used gunpowder. In order to tighten the administration and to curb means reduce the power of provincial governors who often function as virtual kings, Gawan divided the existing 4 provinces of the Bahmani Sultanate into 8 provinces so as to limit the area under the rule of each governor and to make the provincial administration more effectively. So at that time the provincial governor they acted as an independent ruler. So in order to reduce their power, Muhammad Gawan he divided the province into small units. The administrative reforms introduced by Gawan improved the efficiency of the government but curtailed the powers of the provincial chiefs who were mostly Deccanists. Deccanists means the governors were belong to South India. So already existing rivalry among the nobles such as Deccanists and Pradesis foreigners, Deccanists South Indians. They further intensified and conflict broke out. So when Gawan reduced the powers of the local Deccan provincial governors, there was a clash between them. Gawan became a victim of this tussle for power. The Deccani noble means ministers, they grew jealous of his success and considered him as an obstacle to their rise. So the all Deccanese nobles, they became jealous over Muhammad Gawan. They considered Gawan as a problem to their growth. They manipulated by forging a letter to implicate Gawan in a conspiracy against Sultan. Sultan who himself was not happy with Gawan's dominance ordered for execution. Execution means killed. So Gawan also not happy with the attitude of Muhammad Gawan. So Gawan he gave a letter to kill he gave an order to kill Muhammad Gawan. Decline of Bahmani kingdom after the death of Muhammad Gawan. It prompted several of the foreign nobles who were considered the backbone of state to leave for their provinces. After Sultan Muhammad III's death, Muhammad or Sahib Uddin Muhammad, he became the next Sultan under his death in 1518. His long rule is noted for the beginning of the process of disintegration. After him, four of his successors on the throne were kings only in name. During this period, the Sultanate gradually broke up into five independent Deccan kingdoms. They are Bidar, Bijapur, Ahmednagar, Berar, and Golconda. Note this one, it will come for 2 marks. So, the vast Bahmani kingdom that was divided into five small kingdoms, they are Bidar, Bijapur, Ahmednagar, Berar, and Golconda. Now we will see the contribution of Bahmani Sultan. First, architecture. The contribution of Bahmani king to architecture is evident in Gulbarga. The best example, Gulbarga. Archaeological excavation done in the site of the kingdom has helped to unearth palaces, halls of public audience, ambassadors' residences, arches, domes, walls, and citadels. These finds are illustrative of their architectural skill. Education. The founder of Bahmani kingdom, Alauddin Hasan Shah, was educated at Multan. Note this one, Alauddin Hasan Shah, he was educated at Multan at the initiative of Jabir Khan. He was a general of Alauddin Khalji. On his occasion, he took special care in founding a school to educate his son. His son Muhammad I was a pattern of learning. Note this one. He opened institution for the purpose of educating the children of noble family in the art of soldiery. Sultan Firoz, the eighth Bahmani king, was a linguist and a poet. Later, his successors founded schools in Gulbarga, Bidar, Dauladabad, and Kandahar. Boarding and lodging at the king's expenses were provided in these schools. So in these schools, the hostel facilities and food facilities are there at the expenses of king. Muhammad Gawan's world famous madrasa in Bidar. So mainly they are giving education in their language with a large library containing a collection of 3,000 manuscripts. Book is illustrative of the importance given to scholarship and education by Gawan. This is Muhammad Gawan Madrasa. In here, they are giving their Quran language. They taught only Quran to the Muslim students, and they gave education and scholarship, all those things to the students. Now we will see the summary point. The foundation of Vijayanagar kingdom was founded by two brothers, Harihara and Bukka, and its consolidation by their successors, notably Devaraya II, are described. The most illustrious ruler, Krishna-Devaraya's career and achievements are highlighted here. Defeat of Vijayanagar at the hands of combined forces of Deccan Sultanate is also narrated. Vijayanagar systems of governance and economy are explored here. Contribution of Vijayanagar to literature, art and architecture also dealt here. And establishment of another kingdom, Bahmani kingdom, by Alauddin Hasan Gangu Bahmani Shah in the year 1347, and his consolidation by his able successors Muhammad I are detailed here. The administrative system introduced by Bahman Shah and measures adapted by Muhammad I and later by Muhammad Gawan during the kingship of Muhammad III are analyzed. Bahmani king's contribution to art, architecture and education are also examined. So the Bahmani kingdom was founded by whom? Yes, Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah. And it was divided into five small kingdoms, that is Bidar, Bijapur, Berar, Golconda and Ahmednagar. This is the Golconda fort. And this is Gulbarga Mosque. It was founded by Muhammad Shawan. And this is Muhammad Gawan Madrasa Learning Center. Students, we have completed the first lesson in history. Today, your homework is I will give one detail, you copy in your class note and study the detail well and mark the one word in your book. Thank you.